chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill. Beria gül se mila le. Beria gül se mila le. Just chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill.
हम भी तेरे आशिक हैं, कभी तू हमसे भी आगे मिल.
Just chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill.
Guys, it's all about experiencing today. You have to switch on your camera and dance it out. Dance like you're the queen and king of your life and you're celebrating your life. Start the day with full energy. That is going to transform your body, and along with your body, it is going to transform your psychology. Because when we change our physiology, we change the psychology around it. Do it, guys. It's not for me today, you know. Today, you guys have to dance. Switch on the camera and shoot the TV.
तेरी अदा है कातिल.
Just chill, chill, just chill.
Come on.
Just chill, chill, just chill. Just chill, chill, just chill.
Hey, Dia. It's so good to see you. Show me energy. Yeah. Okay. One sec. Good morning, everyone. Show me your beautiful, lovely faces. Come on, guys. The last day of Inner Radiance, let's make it more special. Nobody is ready to come. Okay, Dia, this is our first day and the last day for this week. I'm sure we are going to continue it some other time too. But yes, I would. So today it's going to be a different one. Every day I was doing it in a different way. Every day I was actually, giving some particular lesson. So, which I'm not going to do today. Today it is going to be all about the life experience. So I'll be telling how I'm going to take today. I'll be just explaining it right now. So the first thing was the healing music, which have been done for 10 minutes. So that healing music, it is something for, it changes our vibration. So remember and note this, that it's all about vibration. How do we vibrate? Creates the entire, being of your body. So that's why do I focus on starting with some specific vibrational music? Because we try to get into that particular moment. We try to get into that particular being, which connects us from ourselves. Right, so that is done, the healing part. Second part is starting with the high energy music. Changing your physiology brings change in your psychology. So when you do that with high energy, with full energy dance and note, it changes the entire thing. And every time you do that, even if I'm not there, Remember this, everyone. Please switch on your camera, guys. Show me your pretty faces. Even if it is, not you have not washed your face, if you are in pajamas, it's totally fine. Okay, so second part is I want you guys to dance it out every day in the morning with full high energy after connecting with yourself, thinking that you are the king or queen of your life and you are celebrating your life. Give me PP, you are going to do that. The third step is I'll be giving you some declarations, affirmations around different phases of your life. So basically, we have four phases of life where we try to concentrate. The first thing is health. So I'll be telling you declarations around health. Whatever I'll be saying, I'll be instructing you guys. Open your, body, expand your body, open your hand, and whatever I say, just repeat after me in full sound, as if you're talking to yourself, as if you're talking to the universe. That I see my life like this. I want it like this. I want you to fulfill this for me. So of course, when you do that, it changes that feeling inside. So that those will be declarations, affirmations, health affirmations to begin with. Then the second thing will be I'll be guiding you on the relationship affirmations. How do we want, what kind of relations we want, what kind of the bond we want. So I'll be giving some instructions on that. Then the third thing will be around your career. Fourth thing will be around the finances, which is money. And the fifth thing, which is going to be extremely important, is how do you connect with your own self, what kind of statements you give to yourself. So I'll be telling these five things. Those will be the declaration. And then after that, I'll be, making you guys connect with your desire, one burning desire. Okay. So before that, we will be doing gratitude. So gratitude for all the situations in our life, all the people in our life, all the things in our life. So the purpose is to shift the focus from lack to abundance. In hustle bustle of life, we always fix and target to what is not there around us. So when we do gratitude, we tell universe that we are so grateful about having all these things. It completely changes your focus. So that is going to be the fourth part, doing the gratitude. And then the fifth part, one burning desire of your life, anything which you are looking or wanting in your life since long time, you are going to write that. So gratitude also we will be writing. Keep a pen and a notepad with you. And then one desire, and with that one desire, I'll be asking you, guiding you to see it in a way that if that desire is fulfilled, if we do not have to think it in a future self, we have to think that in present that desire has already been fulfilled, and now we are connecting our mind with that particular desire, that when it is fulfilled, how are we feeling around it, how it looks like, and how does it feel like. So that is the fifth part. And the sixth part is three tasks which you are going to accomplish today. Any three tasks which you have been planning every day, or you have a plan for today, write that down. All those three, just pointers, 1 2 3, these three tasks I'll be doing today. And I would want you, रात में मैं मिलूं ना मिलूं, before you go to bed, you have to check कि उन तीन में से आपने क्या क्या आज कर लिया. Right? So that will be the last thing. And at the end, now because you all have not danced, and I will not be dancing, I'll be putting a good music. We will dance it out and we will end the inner radiance for this week. All good, guys? Give me thumbs up. Thank you. Hello, Pooja. Good morning. So yeah, so we are done with the first two parts. The third part is declarations around it. I want you all to expand your body if you feel comfortable. How much ever you expand, you connect more. जितना हम श्रिंक करते हैं अपने आप को उतना इट्स लाइक फीलिंग दैट श्रिंक्ड ओनली द एंटायर डे। सो सुबह सुबह एक्सपैंड करके एनर्जी को बढ़ाना है, घटाना नहीं है। तो स्प्रेड योर आर्म्स एंड से इट। If you can't do that, keep it in your heart, your hands, and then say it. Close your eyes, indulge in the music, and then whatever I say, just repeat after me. I'll just put the music.
Ask for money and get advice. Ask for advice, get money twice. I'm from the
Am I
dirty,
audible?
but that Chico nice. Y'all call it a moment, I call it life.
Okay. So we are starting the health affirmation. Expand yourself, close your eyes, and say after me. I have a strong, healthy, and energized body. I am disciplined and committed to my health. I am vibrant, fit, and full of life. I have the power to heal, nourish, and love my body.
Christina,
Go all out, guys. Say it to yourself. I'll be increasing the music. Say it again to yourself. I have a strong, healthy, and energized body. I am disciplined and committed to my health. I am vibrant, fit, and full of life. I have the power to heal, nourish, and love my body.
long way from them hallways. It was O's and O's, they counted always. 305 all day. Now, baby, we can parlay. Oh, baby, we can party. She read books,
Smile,
especially
give a
about
big
red rooms
smile
and
to
tie-ups.
your face.
I
Bring
got
a
her
big
hooked.
smile
See
to
me in
your
the suit with a red
face
tie
and
tied
say
up.
it.
They think it's
Feel
nice
it.
to meet you, but time is money. Only difference is I own it.
Now we'll be doing it around the relationship affirmations. I have beautiful, loving, and meaningful relationships. I am love and I attract love effortlessly. Say it again, guys. Can you hear the music? I have beautiful, loving, and meaningful relationships. I am love and I attract love effortlessly. I have people who respect, support, and cherish me. I am a magnet for deep, honest, and joyful connections. Now we will be talking about finance affirmations. I have money flowing to me easily and abundantly. Open your arms, expand yourself, and say it after me louder so that your whole being can hear it. I have money flowing to me easily and abundantly. I am financially free, wealthy, and abundant. I have opportunities to grow my wealth every day. I am worthy of living a rich, prosperous life. Go all out. Say it again. Say it to yourself, whatever you heard from me. Say it loud. I'm making the music little louder.
Like Franklin said, I did it my stood their ground.
Yes, we are coming to the career and purpose affirmations. I have a career that fulfills me and inspires others. I am successful, impactful, and confident in my work. I have clarity, creativity, and growth in my career. I am unstoppable in achieving my career goals. Now, the biggest and the major part comes here is relationships with yourself. So, we will be affirming around our own self. I have unconditional love and acceptance for myself. I am proud of who I am and who I am becoming. I am enough, I am worthy, I am powerful. I have the power to rewrite my story and rise higher. I trust the process of life. I trust the process of life. I trust the process of life. Yes, guys. So what we are going to do now we will be writing, gratitude towards our own life, towards the things, towards the people, towards the situations we have in our life. Even if it is a toxic thing coming in your life, pay your gratitude towards it, because every toxicity in our lives is teaching us some lesson to uplift ourselves. Let's be thankful to that also. अगर हमारी लाइफ में कोई टॉक्सिसिटी नहीं होगी, we will not be thinking to raising our energy. We will be settling at one single place. तो हर एक प्रॉब्लम, हर एक चैलेंज जो आपकी लाइफ में आ रहा है, I want you to even pay gratitude towards that. Pick up your pen, write it in the notebook for every small thing, even if it is, the comfort of your bed where you, sleep every day, the food in your plate which you eat every day, the job you have, the money you are earning every month, every small thing, the relation you have, the beautiful bonds you have, the prize as a child we all have. It's all big, big, big things to be grateful about. I will switch on the music and I want you guys to give some time to connect with your around and pay gratitude for whatever you have in your life with a smile, with a heart full of gratitude. Go all out, guys. Write all that is there in your life and you are thankful for it. Every small thing you're feeling and enjoying every day. Because a heart full of gratitude is magnet of miracles. This is my favorite line. When we shift our energy from focusing to lack of our life, whatever is not available, to the place where we see all abundance, our entire, being starts to attract the magic around it. Go all out, connect with yourself, be grateful, give gratitude to everything, every small thing you have in your life. changing it to our one big desire now. One major desire of our life, which we have been thinking since a long time, and we are going to do it today. We are going to write it today. So, yes, write one desire. Any desire. For example, if I consider my situation, when I was getting into this field, every day I used to connect to my desire that I want to be a, a life coach in this. I want to connect with people. I want to help with, I want to support and help people. So that kind of desire, when I was connecting each and every day, I was coming closer and closer to fulfill it. So write one of your desire, which is your burning desire, just one. And then also, separate out your page in two parts. Write the desire on the top part. Write one side looks like and feels like. So when I say that, when I used to write it, how does it look like? I used to feel and write it there that I have hundreds of people in my room whom I am able to help in getting connected to themselves, in changing their mindset around their lives. And so how was it like? How does it look like? I am being loved. People are getting love from me and support from me. So I used to write like that. How does it feels like? I'm feeling amazing from inside. I am feeling proud of myself that I'm able to do something which I wanted to do since long. I am so blessed around that I can see the smiling happy faces of my people around me every single day. So it's like that. So your desire and dreams could be around finances, could be around relationship. So your desire, one single desire for today could also be something like, इतने दिन से मैंने ना इनको love you नहीं बोला, आज तो मैं love you बोलने वाली हूँ. That also could be one desire which is there inside your heart, which you are going to do today. So anything, I'm not saying it should be a very big thing, anything, one desire, and do that. And then now I'll be giving you 1 minute to connect with your desire. Last 30 seconds, guys. Done? So now we are going to feel it. We are going to, feel it in a way that the desire which we have just written has been fulfilled. And we are just connecting with the universe and saying, thank you for fulfilling my desire. So go all out. I'll be just changing the music and making it connected with your own self. See that your dream has already been fulfilled. You are living it in present, not future. Give all the positive thing that, I'm thankful that I have this. I am super duper blessed to have this in my life. Now, whatever you have written just now, think that it has already been achieved in the, cosmic world, and you are thanking the universe for it. So we are done with this, guys. And now please switch on, everyone, your camera. We are going to write 3 major tasks for today. Switch on your camera and tell me how is it, what is to be done today. Yes, so you have to write, 3 things which you are going to do for today, which you have planned for yourself today. For example, if I have to see, I have to make PPT for the Sunday webinar which I'll be taking for you all. So I'll be giving, that's my major thing for today. And around that, what I have to do is I have to put every single thing which I'll be giving you in my membership of silver membership. So everything I'll sort it out, what best gift I can give you around that. So my 3 things for today is going to be around that, preparing myself for that webinar, which I'll be doing on this Mother's Day especially. So that's my goal for today. You write for yourself what 3 things you are going to do. Anything, and make sure that at least one thing you are writing which you have been postponing for long. Out of those 3 things, write one thing for sure which you really want to do since long and you're not able to do it. Go for it. Anything, it doesn't need to be very big desire of yours, just something when you're beginning it today, make it small things and one single work for which you are going to step up yourself, step up your energy for that. Very specific, just 3 tasks, 1, 2, 3. And I also want, before you go to bed, you open this notebook, you check these 3 tasks and give a tick. What you could do, what you could not do. Also think in the end of the day that was it important for you to do it. Sometimes, we keep tasks like in our head, which are actually not very important, but we have been stressing ourselves around it. See that if it was really important for you to do that, or you can just drop it for some time and you can come back to it later. So the purpose here is to list out those 3 things and then checking it by the end of the day. Also, I would want you guys to be grateful before sleeping as well. Write 5 things for being grateful before you go to the bed. So are we done for 3 things of the day? Yes? Give me thumbs up, guys. Hi Parul, hi Aditi, hi Shambhavi, hi Gagi, hi Kapila, hi Tanu. Why so many black boxes are there? I said that today it is going to be experiencing day. And today the maximum black boxes are visible. Yeah, thank you for switching on your camera. Now what we are going to do is we are going to bring our hands like this together and we are going to say thank you to each one of us here because because all of you could bring this energy in this room. I could have such wonderful morning for this last 5 days. So I would like to say thank you, and thank you. Thank you, Kapila. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Dia. Thank you, Parul. Thank you, Shambhavi. Thank you, Gagi. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you, Tanu. Now we will. I want you also to say thank you to each one of us here, or maybe you can take few names and say thank you. Why? Because there was some connection between us because of which we could spend such lovely evening, lovely morning every day, right? So we have to be thankful for that as well. And the second and the last part is that I would like to bless you all. So take your hands like this. Guys, switch on your camera. These blessings you can have in the form of energy only if we see each other. It's okay how do we look. It's fine. Thank you for switching on the camera. Just give blessings. Say any one name, two name, three name, and say bless you. Bless you, Shambhavi. Bless you, Aditi. Bless you, Pooja. Bless you, Dia. Bless you, Kapila. Bless you, Gagi. Bless you, Tanu. Bless you, Parul. It's like that, being thankful because, whatever goes around comes around. जितना प्यार दोगे, जितनी काइंडनेस दोगे, जितनी ब्लेसिंग्स दोगे, वो सब आपके पास वापस आने वाली है. कभी भी do not be miser in doing that. भर भर के प्यार दो, भर भर के प्यार लो. So that's what it is. And guys, one major thing I would like to say, as the environment is changing around this Pahalgam thing and all, I want every one of you to remember this. I'll just switch off this music. बहुत सारे लोग हम लोग we start to feel anxious towards it, that what's going on, what is going to happen, I don't know how it is going to turn out. So I will be giving you one equation today. There's a thing called F plus S is equal to O, or F plus S is equal to D. What is F? F is a fact. What is S? S is a story. And what is D? D is a drama. कोई भी चीज आप ये चीज मान लो कि कोई ना कोई चीज एक फैक्ट होती है, इवेंट्स में फैक्ट होता है. से फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट इज द फैक्ट हियर? फैक्ट इज दैट that it happened in a very very inhuman way in Pahalgam. So that is a fact which has already happened and we know it, and how our government has responded to it. Now the story what we give to our mind around it matters the most. आप अपने आप को एम्पावरिंग स्टोरी दे रहे हो या आप अपने आप को डिसएम्पावरिंग स्टोरी दे रहे हो? फैक्ट सिंपल सा इतना है कि दो देश के बीच में थोड़ी सी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग और जो भी चल रही है, जिसकी वजह से सिचुएशंस आर चेंजिंग अराउंड अस. तो नाउ इट्स अप टू अस कि हम अपने आप को क्या स्टोरी देते हैं. अगर आप अपने आप को ये स्टोरी देते हो दैट आर पीएम मोदी is if he has taken this decision of acting it in this certain way, it is being decided, and of course it is planned. We know what kind of consequence जान के समझ के सब कुछ करके ही ये चीज शुरू हुई है. तो rather than getting disturbed inside, turn your fears into faith and say जो हो रहा है अच्छा होगा और अच्छा ही होगा. डू नॉट फील एंशियस अराउंड इट। बहुत ज्यादा आप न्यूज में घुसेंगे, बहुत ज्यादा चीजें देखिए, so उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें ना फैक्ट्स भी नहीं होती हैं। इफ यू रियली कंसिडर, कई बार आपको कहीं पे बर्निंग कुछ दिखा देंगे, आपको पता भी नहीं है कि ये हमारा दूसरे देश से आया है या अपने ही देश में कुछ हो रहा था। सो लोगों को एग्जैजरेट करने की आदत होती है, जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, गुडनेस पे फोकस नहीं है, लैक पे ज्यादा फोकस है। तो मैं ये बोलूंगी, वट एवर हैपन्स इन योर लाइफ, स्टोरी उसके अराउंड आप क्या क्रिएट करते हो, दैट मैटर्स द मोस्ट। जैसे कि 26/11 जब हुआ था, तो अलग अलग लोगों का अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्स आया। व्हेन इट वाज सीन इन द टीवी, कई लोग सब छोड़ के पूजा करने बैठ गए कि भगवान भगवान भगवान, सब ठीक हो जाए, सब ठीक हो जाए। कई लोग जस्ट स्विच ऑफ कर दिया उन्होंने टीवी, ये सोच के कि आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दिस नेगेटिविटी, सो दे जस्ट स्विच्ड ऑफ द टीवी। देयर वर फ्यू पीपल हु वर लाइक कंटिन्यूअसली इन टच ऑफ द एंड फीलिंग एंशियस। सो एवरीबडी हैज गॉट दैट कंट्रोल इन द हैंड कि आप फैक्ट के अराउंड क्या स्टोरी दे रहे हो, और जैसी स्टोरी आप दोगे, दैट काइंड ऑफ ड्रामा विल गेट क्रिएटेड। Always remember, facts are always neutral. It's not good or bad, right or wrong. It's what we are giving to our mind. So with that, चीजें होती रहती हैं. Do not feel anxious around it. Just keep the faith that everything is good, everything is going to be good. So that was it about today. And now, everyone, switch on the camera. I'll be taking a picture. I have put a poll in the group. Hit for it. कौन सा टाइमिंग आप लोग को बेटर सूट कर रहा है for the webinar? I would love to take it on the Mother's Day because it is going to be a very, special for all mothers around here. And I will give the best possible, thing from my side. Do not, miss it for anything. Let me know your comfortable time out of those two. And today I'll be posting this, final picture on the Insta. I want you guys to give your feedback for the entire 5 days. How did it go for you? Make it smaller, bigger, as ever, whatever you want. So thank you so much. I am putting Madhuri today, and show me your dance. First, click, Gargi and Aditi, can you please switch on the camera just for a moment? I'll be taking a picture. I think Parul already left, right? Okay, yeah, Gargi is here. Good morning. Chalo, I'll be taking a picture. Smile. Yes, thank you for those hearts. Thank you so much. Now, सब लोग आज डांस करके दिखाएंगे. Okay, you're going to do the same thing every day in the morning. So let's dance it out.
नमस्कार। कहिए, क्या सुनेंगे आप?
अरे पहले ये कहिए, कहाँ थी आप?
मैं कर रही थी किसी का इंतजार।
कौन है वो?
डिंग डांग डिंग, डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डांग, डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डांग डांग। एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13। एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13। तेरा करो दिन 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 पे इंतजार, आजा पिया आई बहार। तेरा करो दिन 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 के इंतजार, आजा पिया आई बहार। एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13। एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12 13।